South Indian fish curry. Ingredients: marinade, 1 tablespoon mirchi powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, water, a little, salt, half kilo fish pieces, gravy, 4 tablespoons oil, half a teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon fennel seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 garlic, 5 red chilies, 2 onions, finely chopped, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric, 2 Sprigs curry leaves, 1/4 cup raw coconut, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 2.5 tablespoons mirchi powder, 3 tomatoes, finely chopped, tamarind, lemon-sized. Stew. 4 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 of a teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 6 garlic, 2 Sprigs curry leaves, 2 green chilies sliced, 10 small onions, rock salt, 300 milliliters water, green coriander, small bunch. Directions: on a plate, add some mirchi powder, salt, pepper powder and some water and make a paste. Coat the fish pieces with the paste and let it rest. Heat oil in a pan and add pepper, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, red chilies and garlic and fry well. Then add the chopped onions, curry leaves and turmeric and cover and cook until onions soften. In the onions, add the raw coconut pieces, coriander powder, mirchi powder, tomato pieces and green coriander and let it cook on medium flame until the oil comes to the surface. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add to a mixie jar along with tamarind juice and make a soft paste with it. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds and let the mustard seeds splatter. Then add fennel seeds, cumin, curry leaves, garlic, green chilies and the sambar onions and fry until golden. Take the tomatoes, made into a paste with the tamarind water and add rock salt, and cook on a low flame until it changes color and the oil separates. Then you get thick, tasty gravy. Then add 300 milliliters water and cook the gravy on a medium flame for 15 minutes and oil comes to the surface. Then add the fish pieces, and fish eggs if you have them. Cover it and cook on a low flame until oil separates. Then add green coriander along with stalks, curry leaves along with stalks and switch off the stove and leave it untouched for an hour. Then serve the stew with hot rice, chapati, dosa or idli.